Windshield Installation Basic Tutorial by WALZISMART Motor Parts. Featuring Bajaj Ray. What to prepare? Materials needed: new windshield glass. Prepare a water with soap mixture. Flat screw. What to do? First step: remove the old windshield. Be careful not to damage the paint or bonding surface. Now you should have an empty windshield frame. Second step: clean the bonding surface to remove any loose particles. Vacuum any debris around the area and clean up your work area before continuing. Third step: check your windshield molding if it is still on good condition and can be reused. Windshield molding is the black rubber trim that wraps around your windshield. Fourth step: after thorough checking, reinstall the rubber. Fifth step: install the new windshield. Position it in the correct spot. Install using the flat screw. Flat screw helps open the windshield molding or rubber while carefully fit to fix the windshield glass. During this process, the mechanic must be careful on implementing the installation. Water with soap helps the installation process easy. Important reminders: installing the windshield glass must consist to mechanics. Lastly, the mechanic on this video is washing the windshield glass with a clean water for the final touch. Thank you for trusting our services and product. For more products and services offer, visit us at 4-7B Rubia Street, Barangay Mintal, Davao City. Thanks for watching.